is up, guys? I'm back in business, back in vlogging, and I have my new camera. Check this out. Here we go, the Sony a7R Mark II, and I'm actually about to head downtown right now with a buddy of mine, and we're gonna go shoot downtown Grand Rapids, build something for my portfolio because I got something I want to talk to you guys about. It's just floating around in my head. I'm super excited to actually see if this is gonna be possible. So yeah, I'm gonna go get dressed and head to pick up my buddy, and we're going downtown. There's when I shake the camera like this, there's these two things on the side, clips for a strap if you want to wear it, that I don't have on. So every time I move the camera, it clinks. So I'm going to try to fix that. I apologize if it's very annoying, but we'll figure it out. Oh my goodness, you're so pretty. Who's my pretty boy? Roar. Oh, you're so cute. I love you. Rest in peace to the old vlog camera. Oops, old vlogging camera, the Canon G7X, which I will, by the way, still use every once in a while because it's a lot quicker and easier than taking the lens cap off this one, switching the lenses, and blah blah blah. Okay. Let's do it. So you guys actually haven't seen my new car, and it's a 2016 Ford Fusion, and yeah, I love it so far. And you can't really see right now, but I do have these LED strips on the floor that actually sync up to the music, so it's pretty sweet. Probably see it more at night because I'll be out till after sunset. Alright, we're in downtown Grand Rapids now, just parked, and we're just gonna walk around and kind of feel out the pictures we're gonna get. Hello. Yeah, no specific plan for right now, but we'll feel it out. Which one do you think is the top? Oh, L? Sure. Alright. So we're heading up to the top of this parking garage, and I'm hoping we can get a good shot of, oh, it's just too bright out there right now. Yeah. Well, anyway, there's a factory right there. I'm going to try to see if I can get a good shot of it up on top of the roof. Never mind, because this window is absolutely disgusting, and there's no way to actually get up here because you need a key, I think. I mean, we can try. We're gonna try because you can't actually see the factory from on top of the parking garage. It's locked. New goal. That crane way off in the background. I want to climb it. I think I lost Casey. Oh, there he is. Anything? Anything good? I'm gonna have to invest in some more lenses with a wider aperture. Definitely. Alright, the parking garage was a bust. Got nothing. Moving on. That was a loose dog. 2 attempts stepping up on this one right here for the B-roll that will be somewhere in this footage. He almost tripped both times. It's wonderful. I finished off the day with a couple of portraits, just because I want to be able to post something from the trip. If you can call it a trip, it's just downtown. But yeah, not really the best day in terms of creativity for me. But that's alright. You have those days sometimes. Actually, a lot. You have those days a lot. So, if you're trying to get into photography, be warned. Luckily, I wore my waterproof boots because I just walked through a puddle for the vlog. Whoa! I almost dropped you, camera. Calling it a day. Heading back to the car now. And when I get home, I'll tell you guys about what the title of this video is. Yeah, we'll talk. Okay. All right, now you can see the lights, a little bit clearer. And like I said, they do sync up to the music. It's not playing right now. We're going home. Rocking the Peter McKinnon Owl drinking glass. If you don't know Peter McKinnon, go check him out. He's a wonderful human being. Anyways, money in photography. How do you make it? So I recently had this idea in my head that I was just going to do shoots for people, like portrait photography, weddings, and other special events like graduation photos. I just did a shoot for last week, and it didn't seem super profitable, especially because I have to put so many hours of my time into every single project. And I thought, well, there's got to be an easier way to do this, and not have to work every time I am given a job. So, oh goodness. Are you good, kitty? Oh. Alright. Never has a noise that big come out of a cat that small before. Wow, okay. Anyways, so I got to thinking, like, sure, you do stock photography, but there's not a lot of money to be made in that anymore just because everything is already kind of out there. You okay? Oh wow. Alright, we got this. We can power through this smell. Anyways, two things I love: taking pictures and tapestries. So, what I'm thinking about doing is opening a business where I actually print these of my own photos. That's brutal. Oh, cat, you stink so bad. Anyways, let's finish this. Gonna open an online store where I sell my own of these just because I love these. If you've seen them in my bedroom, I'm not in my bedroom right now, I'm in my living room. But I just bought that one, and I'm ordering 3 more, as well as a flag to represent my school, Grand Valley, that we're gonna hang up in the living room. Anyways, 2 things I love. I'm deciding to combine them, and I'm gonna see if I can get some suppliers to give me cloths, or if I can just send them the files they print and ship the tapestries to me, and then from there I ship to my customers. But this is one idea that I had. I don't know if it'll go anywhere. I will keep you guys updated. There are more ideas that I have for the business if I do end up wanting to pursue that. So yeah, keep an eye out for those. Hopefully, if I do end up making those, I will have a couple within the next month or 2, and we will see how successful those are. So yeah, that's a quick update for me. That is one idea of mine to make money in photography, doing what I love while I'm in school, of course. So thank you guys for watching, and if you want to keep up with me on that journey, if you're a photographer yourself looking to get into it and you want to learn how to make money, please subscribe, and I will keep you updated on my journey as a photographer slash cinematographer. And I'm gonna go check out my cat because I'm kind of worried about him now. So I will see you guys in another video. Thank you for watching. Find your reason to smile. Peace.